Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is June the 12th, 2022. We're going to talk about PayPal today. I want to give you all a crucial update from my perspective about where I'm looking for the price to go in PayPal. So to everyone who's new, this is what I do. You guys can already see on the chart that I do price predictions. I'm one of the realest ones out here on these YouTube streets dropping price predictions without the confusion. So if you guys want to join me, go ahead, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel. I'm not here to give you no fun, no fluff, no FOMO. I'm just simply paying attention to what people are doing with their own money. Once you see that, you guys will actually begin to grin and smile because you understand how this game is really being played. So to those who are new, I would recommend that you join me because I'm one of the only ones out here showing you all the real. So check it out. I did a video in PayPal, right? You guys can see it. My price prediction was for the price to go down in PayPal, and it did for a small stint, and very short period of time. Price in PayPal did go down. Here's the video, or the time that I created the price prediction was on May the 11th. 2 days. Right? The market came all the way down to that support line around $72. I identified that area. Can you all see that? I identified that this area in PayPal could be held as support. That is exactly where the market bounced, right there off of that line. I talked about that on my last video. So you should have been able to grab some of that profitability out the market in PayPal right here. That was 9%. That's how low I was looking for the market to go in PayPal. Like literally, look at that. It's pretty much almost smack dab to where I said it was going to go. Look at that. So that's 9%. Now it only took us what, 2 days, a day for us to grab that profitability out the market, because right here was when the price in PayPal began to go up. See, I called that. I was looking for the buyers to bounce down there, and they did, and they lifted price. But now things have changed. Okay, the situation has changed. Can we still suspect the buyers to control the market in PayPal, or can we expect the price to continue to fall below this horizontal line right here? Can we expect the market to fall below $70 now? Let's talk. Let me go ahead and get rid of this. Pretty good call on that one that I did. First thing I wanted to address is, at what point did the market buyers get hung up at, right? It gives us a lot of information. The price chart alone gives us enough information. This area right here is where the market got hung up at. We saw instances to where buyers were coming into the market in PayPal. This is one day buyers came in. Buyers also came in on the 7th of June. But they was not successful at breaking price above $90. That's massive. That's important for us to see where price is headed. This is the snag. This is the issue for the buyers, $90. Okay. Now, let's take a look at how we ended out on the week. Okay. Let's take a look. So this is what the price chart looks like on the weekly time frame in PayPal. Now, that's a pretty wide spread. Would you agree? Would you agree that this spread right here is wide? Yes, it is. Why do I say that? Well, this one weekly price bar fully encompasses this weekly price bar, even on this one. So 2 weeks worth of price action of the PayPal market participants trying to push price higher. It took 2 weeks for the market to go from a low of $77.20 to a high of $88.61. It took 2 weeks for that to go. All of that was wiped out in 1 week. That shows you that the overall trend into the market in PayPal is still one of weakness, right? And for us to not see the market take out this area right here also confirms to us that the overall trend in PayPal is still down. Okay, we're still weak. If we would have seen the market on this last weekly price bar break above this $90, $95 price to the upside, then we can still say the price in PayPal is still anticipated to go up. And that's not what we've seen. We saw rejection instead. The market closed down on the low. 2 weeks. You see this one here. Okay. Now, it doesn't mean that the market in PayPal is about to crash, that it's going to fall below $70. Nothing like that. If anything, we shouldn't be expecting price to go up. Okay, we can expect maybe consolidation of trading or trading within a range, and also price continue to fall. But I think it's kind of safe for us to throw out price going up in PayPal as of this moment. Okay, I won't be anticipating that's going to go on. Okay, now the thing is, we want to see buyers relatively soon though. Okay, so even though I'm not looking for the price to go up in PayPal, I'm still looking for the market to give us this type of price action like it did here back in 2018 to 2019. I'm still looking for the market to trade something like that, to where the market really wasn't going anywhere. It was just going sideways. We can actually still see that here in this scenario. Okay, I want us all to be prepared for that, because I suspect that that's what the market is trying to do, is that they're just simply trying to rotate this market and let it trade sideways for a while. So that $70 is still important. Okay, yeah, that $70 support area that I got identified is still important. Okay, now, given that we saw the weakness in PayPal on the last trading day of last week, right? I'm still looking for it to give us a little bit more weakness. I know everyone is running for the hills right now in the stock market. Everything is crashing. I know that's the sentiment that everyone is trying to give out. But in PayPal situation, I'm still looking for the basis to be around $70. If not $70, I'm looking for it to come here towards 75. So I'm going to have a very small price prediction on this video. My two price targets. My first one is going to be 75. My second one is going to be 70. It's just that simple. Now, longer term, okay, if we do not see PayPal come back up to this level, okay, which I got right here, we know that the market is still going to fall, right? We know that the price in PayPal is still weak. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get rid of this trend line right here because I don't want to cause no confusion. I pretty much want us to follow a consolidational trading range for right now. Okay, I want us to follow the market in PayPal consolidating. I got rid of that ascending line, which it was applicable, right? It was applicable that we can still see the market in PayPal hold this trend, but it doesn't look like that's going to happen right now. Okay, so now let me go ahead and drop the price prediction here. I'm looking for the price right now to go lower, but not that low. My first price target is around 75. Now that gives us what, 5.4% movement to the downside. If we see that, cool, that's great. We know that we need to take the profitability in there and move on to the next play. If the buyers do not hold 75, look for it to come down here to 70. That's like another 9%, 9.25% movement to the downside. Okay, and that's where we're at. As long as the market in PayPal continues to trade below $90, we're going to continue to expect it to go down, or at best trade like this. Got it? All right, cool. That's it. I am done. One of the crucial updates is the market is not bullish. It's not. We had a great run, but that run now is over. So if anything, this is what we're going to get. Sideways trading or breakdown. Those are the two options that I'm seeing. I'm not looking for this option to where the market's going to go up. That's not the option right now. If you see something different, cool, let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.